Fortune Brands is growing very fast, and we're a very data-driven company. Moen has been in the area for over 30 years in a building that was 219,000 square feet. That building was historically B2B, shipping pallets to customers. As we've evolved, we realized that the direct-to-consumer volume was growing exponentially. We put together a plan and partnered with FORTNA to really implement something that could solve the business problem of being able to ship directly to our customers with accuracy and speed within the kind of a 2-day ship window. And it led us to put up a 680,000 square foot DC here in Las Vegas. FORTNA has been a great partner to us in many projects across our DC network. And so we just wanted to, as we went out and talked to different vendors, we felt like FORTNA was the right partner to help us solve the business problem. And, we partnered with them over a year to design and implement this building. So we just had a great partnership.
At FORTNA, we take a consultative approach to working with our clients. We strategize with them, we work with their engineering and operations teams, and then our teams come together with an ultimate solution that can meet those requirements that they have for the future and beyond.
When we did the initial design, we did time studies, we used data to make the decisions based on the volumes we were forecasting out into the future, and making sure that no matter what, we could keep up with that and had room to grow into it.
One of our components of the design is the AutoStore solution, an automated storage and retrieval system that helps them optimize their each pick.
The AutoStore is definitely the heart of our business. Our warehouse management system talks directly to a system that runs the AutoStore and our conveyor system. So as soon as we receive it, systematically it's telling us to put it in the AutoStore or put it in a reserve location to be picked later to go into the AutoStore. It's crucial for our success. There's 41,000 totes in there, so we are constantly looking at it and trying to figure out what do we want in there, how full is it? So it is a very one-piece flow of getting this product from here into the truck almost the same day or within the same hour for a lot of these products.
The whole automation has given us a great advantage to providing great service to our customers, right? Fulfilling every order that we have. It has made us triple the amount of stuff that we were able to ship out in our oldest facility. And with a touch of quality, right? We want to make sure that everything goes out 100% to the customer. And with the AutoStore, you have the advantage of the screen and the technology telling you what to put in what box.
We have touch screens, and so the associates have really drawn to it, of much easier, much more ergonomic. So we just feel like it's tremendously improved our efficiency and the day-to-day life of our associates. So the AutoStore gives us the ability to pick 100 lines per hour per station. We have 7 stations, so 700 lines per hour just really keeps up with everything we need and blows the old system out of the water. We have dashboards that show us the productivity, what the robots are doing on top, if they're keeping up with it, how optimized it is and how efficient it's being. So we know the model of success by having that data to measure our KPIs against on a daily basis. And that's what we plan to. So we can staff these areas to know we can hit our volume using that data consistently and measure ourselves to performance every hour to see if we're being successful. And it's expandable, right? That's one of the things that we knew going into it, that we really wanted to make sure that if there was further growth, that we could build out the AutoStore further and add more robots. It's very plug and play and adaptable. So being able to flex up to all 7 stations and the ability to add if I need more in the future is how we're going to be successful to grow in this building.